What is going on, everybody? Got another video here for you. We're going to do a limit. Well, we got two limits we're going to do. We're doing the limit of the same function, but one of them we're going to infinity and the other one we're going to negative infinity. So let's check it out and see how we work it. All right, so the way that I do limits that are going to infinity is I keep the term with the largest exponent in the numerator and the term with the largest exponent in the denominator. So this is going to give me the limit as x goes to infinity of 4x cubed over 2x cubed plus the square root of 16x to the sixth. All right. So when you think about it, this is x cubed, right? Because it's the square root of x to the sixth, which is x cubed. So I've got an x cubed, the 2x cubed, and the 16x to the sixth, the square root of it. So these are the largest exponents in the denominator. All right, so this is going to give me 4x cubed over 2x cubed plus, and then the square root of that is 4x cubed. Whoops, look what I went and done. I forgot to write limit down. That's 4x cubed over 2x cubed plus 4x cubed, which that is going to give me the limit as x goes to infinity of 4x cubed over, what is that, 6x cubed? And you can see here the x cubes cancel, and we were left with the limit as x goes to infinity of 4 over 6, and so that is going to give us 2/3 as an answer. All right, so that wasn't bad. All right, now let's look at this one. So it's going to be the same thing. We got the limit as x goes to negative infinity of 4x cubed over 2x cubed plus the square root of 16x to the sixth. Keep the term with the largest exponent in the numerator and the term with the largest exponent in the denominator. I explained that up there when we went to infinity. And so now we got the limit as x goes to negative infinity of 4x cubed over 2x cubed plus what? Well, what's the square root of 16x to the sixth? See if you can guess it. All right, so hopefully you got it right. It is 4x cubed, but you got to put x cubed in absolute value. Now, why do you have to do that? Well, remember, the radical symbol here means we want the principal square root. And what's the principal square root? It's the positive answer. And since x is going to, let me erase the absolute value. Since x is going to negative infinity, these are negative numbers that are getting plugged in for x. All right, they're negative numbers. And so a negative number cubed, that would give me a negative answer. A negative times a negative is a negative. So I have to put it in absolute value to make it positive. All right, so now this is equal to the limit as x goes to negative infinity of 4x cubed over 2x cubed. And then what is this? This is minus 4x cubed. All right, so just look at it this way. The absolute value, now let me do it in a different color. The absolute value of x cubed is equal to x cubed if x is greater than or equal to 0 and negative x cubed if x is less than 0. All right. Now, why is that? Well, if x is positive, well, it's fine. That's going to give, I'll plug a positive number in for x, cube it, I get a positive back. Remember, absolute value, you always get a positive answer. But if my x is negative, then say like I have a negative 2 in for x, then negative 2 cubed is negative 8, and then I've got to multiply it by that negative to make it positive. Okay? So now we get the limit as x goes to negative infinity of 4x cubed over negative 2x cubed. Let's put that in parentheses. And so I get the limit as x goes to negative infinity of negative 2. That reduces to negative 2. And so my limit is negative 2. All right, so I hope that helped. I hope you see the difference going to infinity, negative infinity, when you have a square root in there. You've got to be careful of that. Okay. All right. So check out my other videos. Give me a like, share, subscribe, comment, and I will see y'all in the next one. Later.